never ceases to amaze me of what lies over there just out of sight. Sitting on the beach, I love to explore around with my drone. And hey, chasing a boat around can be a lot of fun too. But that turn back to the beach always reveals something beautiful. It's like Maverick in Top Gun requesting that flyby.
This is Ghost Rider requesting a flyby.
Sitting on the beach flying my drone while my daughter plays in the sand never gets old for either of us. Ever wonder why that surfer sits on his board on a waveless day? I don't. I'm Scott, and this is my journey.